please do remember this, that AI crawls data. The longer it has exposure to data and the more data it could actually absorb, the better it would actually be. If you think AI is amazing now, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years into the future, they would be even smarter. Hey guys, so as you all know, I'm a big fan of technology, and another iteration of technology right now, which I think will be at the cutting edge of how it will change the way we live our lives, is artificial intelligence. And from what we're seeing right now in 2023, it has accelerated massively, leaps and bounds versus where it was in 2019. And we are actually seeing applications also that is making it easier for not just retailers or users to live their lives, but it's also affecting business. And I think it will affect a lot of jobs also in the future. We've seen AI evolve massively. If you've owned an iPhone before, when you would use Siri before, it couldn't even get the words right. But right now, it's doing so well. And I believe that over the next 10, 20, 30 years, this would just get even better. So please do remember this, that AI crawls data. The longer it has exposure to data and the more data it could actually absorb, the better it would actually be. If you think AI is amazing now, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years into the future, they would be even smarter. And there's a lot of ways to invest in AI companies, but a lot of them are startups, a lot of them are privately held companies, and a lot of them, to normal retail investors, especially from different parts of the world, it would be hard to be able to buy or have an exposure to them. So the easiest way still, and at least for this video, is to look at companies that are in the stock market that either produce or manufacture and their clients are AI companies, or companies that have portion of their main company that's AI related, or also companies that have invested in AI so that they get bits and pieces of the upside of it as well. 10 companies that are connected to AI that you could actually look at and have exposure into. The first one is NVIDIA. And I've been tracking NVIDIA already for quite some time already. Since NVIDIA is pretty much into hardware, imagine the amount of orders they would get, the larger the use of AI that we will actually see in the future. NVIDIA is a leading producer of graphics processing units, or GPUs, the ones that people use to mine Ethereum, and has been a key player in the growth of AI and the deep learning market. The company's GPUs are used for training and interfacing AI applications, including autonomous vehicles and machine learning systems. Number two, I know you all know this because they've been pretty much working in it already, is Alphabet. Google is a leader in AI with focus on machine learning and deep learning. The company offers AI services through its cloud platform and has developed several AI tools including TensorFlow and Google Assistant. Now this is something very interesting, Microsoft, MSTF, especially with their exposure to ChatGPT. But I want to say this, Microsoft has made significant investments in AI and has developed several AI services, including Azure AI, which provides cloud-based AI services and tools. The company's AI offerings are used for a wide range of applications, including natural language processing, computer vision, and speech recognition. So if you look at it from NVIDIA to Google to Microsoft, these are already traditional tech companies that are mainstream, that have done really, really well in the past years. There's a reason why they are double downing and positioning into AI, because they believe that it's the future. There's a reason why a lot of them spend a lot of money into it and research into it and resources into it, because they knew that it would be a large part of how the future will be as well. Next is Intel. Intel is the leading producer of chips and processors that are used in a wide range of AI applications, including autonomous vehicles. The company also has made investments in AI startups and is actively involved in developing AI solutions. However, I want to say this, if you're going to put Intel side by side versus NVIDIA, I still like NVIDIA more than Intel. That's what's nice about the stock market, is that there are companies that have exposure in it. However, you can also pick and nitpick based on your preference, also on what you like. As you all know, I've been mentioning this over and over, Facebook/Meta. Facebook is a leader in AI with a focus on computer vision and natural language processing. The company has developed several AI tools and has made significant investments in AI startups. However, AI has been known also for its exposure into the metaverse, that they're double downing into that. But that being said, they still have positions in AI. Next, you have Baidu. Baidu is a Chinese company that's focused on AI and is often referred to as the Google of China. The company has developed several AI services, including its conversational AI platform, Chua OS, and its AI-powered autonomous vehicle platform, Apollo. Another one is Salesforce CRM, is a customer relationship management software company that has made significant investments in AI. The company offers AI services including Einstein, its AI platform that provides machine learning and predictive analytic capabilities. Another Chinese company we have Tencent. Tencent is a Chinese company that's focused on AI and has made significant investments in the AI startups. The company offers several AI services including natural language processing and computer vision. Lastly, another Chinese company we have Alibaba. Alibaba is a Chinese company that's involved in AI and has made significant investments in AI startups. The company has developed several AI services, including its cloud-based AI platform, Alibaba Cloud, and its AI retail platform, Tmall. These companies are all leaders in the AI market and have exposure to the growing AI industry. Their investments in AI and products and services make them good options for investors that are into the AI markets. The interesting part though with them is that since their main revenue source is not just purely AI, this actually means also that while they're still building their AI portfolio, the company will be profitable because it already has a good number of services, a good number of products, and a revenue stream already that's available prior to their exposure to AI. So in terms of risk, from Google to Microsoft to Alibaba to Baidu to Tencent to Nvidia, they're already earning and their profitable businesses can continue to fund also their acquisitions in AI or their exposures into AI as well. Of course, if you'll compare it to purely AI companies that their main bread and butter is AI, they'll have, I think, larger upsides. However, one of the advantages still of companies that are in the stock market is that you already have established systems, the disclosures are more transparent, and you've already seen those companies over the past few years and how they have performed, and there's a sense of trust also in them. And then you already know the CEO, the leadership, and people who are involved in those companies. And somehow it gives you also a semblance of how their track record was. What I like about the stock market as compared to just investing in startups, which could possibly give you a larger amount of return also later on, is that it's liquid. If you invest into a private company, you don't know when your exit will be. You don't know also when to actually get out, when to actually sell, or what if it goes to zero? There's a bigger chance for startups also to go to zero. But if you go to the listed route, when you need the money, when you need to sell, when you need to transfer, or if you feel you made the wrong decision, it's easy for you to be able to sell because they're highly liquid. So those are 10 companies that are connected to AI, have exposure to AI, or are earning off AI also that you may consider. But what's highly interesting about them, at least in my opinion, is that they're liquid and they're in the stock market. I hope you guys learned a lot from this. I hope that this was something that was fascinating for you, and this was something that helped you. If you got anything from this, put it in the comment section that I'm learning. And if you want more, like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about this. So that's it for now. Marvingermo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.